Gaurav Sabun joins us now from the seat of power in the capital, I should say, just next to the seat of power. Gaurav, you've been there all day and been having interesting conversations with BJP leaders. Tell us a bit about that.
Well, enthused BJP leaders, this is a new beginning for them. And what a spectacular victory BJP had. What a spectacular speech made by BJP's Prime Ministerial candidate, now Prime Minister designate Narendra Modi. I spoke to a lot of young leaders, and Narendra Modi, in his speech in the Central Hall of Parliament, he inspired this young new leadership. I spoke to first-time MP Satyapal Singh, quite a giant killer in his own right. He defeated RLD's Ajit Singh in his pocket borough in Baghpat. And, Satyapal Singh, former Mumbai Police Commissioner, extremely excited about how Narendra Modi will revamp the internal security apparatus of this country. There is a threat from Pakistan, there is a threat of homegrown terrorists, there is a threat of Naxalite movement, and all of that needs to be dealt with. And Narendra Modi has a team of technocrats, elected technocrats, to deal with this issue, is what sources in the BJP are telling us. I interviewed Smriti Irani, BJP Vice President, and she was very enthused. She said there is a lot of hope about good days coming ahead. Economy remains top focus for Narendra Modi. Infrastructure remains top focus for Narendra Modi. We spoke to several other young MPs. They spoke about the importance that will be given to national defense, external affairs, trade, commerce, and a new change perhaps that will happen here is trade is the new passport to the world. Trade is the new visa. So the External Affairs Ministry is likely to have a lot of elements of the Commerce Ministry in it, and perhaps someone who understands trade, commerce and international ties is most likely to be our External Affairs Minister. So, there is a lot of talk about how this entire government machinery will be rejigged, and yet you will have a lean and mean ministry initially, a lean and mean government initially. The youngsters are being told not to be disheartened. There will be an expansion further. Some of the bright and promising youngsters will be groomed. They will be junior ministers, but not ceremonial, without any task like in the past. They will be given KRAs, key result areas. They will have to perform, and only then can they expect to move forward.